This is a demonstration on installing a remote antenna with a bulkhead connection to the gateway. One side of the bulkhead is inside a building or enclosure. The other is outside. The gateway is located inside, the antenna outside. The first thing to do is to crimp the ground wire on the eyelet provided, as it's easier to do this when the eyelet is not installed. Slide the wire into the crimp. It is important you use a crimping tool to ensure the best connection to ground. Now slide the lightning arrestor on. Hand tighten the arrestor, and then using channel locks or large pliers, tighten 1/8 more turn. Now slide the grounding eyelet onto the arrestor, then the lock washer, then the nut and snug it down. Next, attach the coax cable. Hand tighten it, and again tighten 1/8 turn more with an adjustable wrench. The last thing we need to do is to seal the coax connections. Using a knife or scissors, make a slice in a sheet of the sealant. Remove one protective sheet, and then align the slice in the sealant with the ground eyelet, and then start wrapping the sealant around the arrestor. Remove the other protective sheet, and then finish wrapping the sealant around the arrestor. Finally, give the sealant a good squeeze to ensure it is sealing the two coax connections, the arrestor to bulkhead connector and the antenna coax to the arrestor connector. Here is a list of other wireless how-to videos available on YouTube. Use the URL below to view the complete educational services course offering.